Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Akanksha with double A. Today we are doing some outdoor self-portraits. In today's video, I am going to show you the process that I follow when I take my self-portraits. I will be sharing my whole process and small tips and tricks that I follow for a smoother self-portrait session. So I will be dividing this video into smaller parts for easier understanding. Starting with the basic is choosing your idea and planning your shoot. So what I generally do when I plan my shoot is decide a theme and location if it is not indoors. For today's shoot, I am going to the beach and will be clicking aesthetic and funky self-portraits. Woohoo! Cannot hold my excitement. After deciding location and theme, I search on Pinterest and then I create my mood board. But here's the catch. I also create my mood boards in Notepad app of my phone. So you might be wondering, but why are you creating mood board in your Notepad app when Pinterest gives you that feature? This is where the fun begins. Sometimes when you're shooting outdoors and there is low or zero network availability, then in that situation it is super duper great to have it saved on your phone for easier access, because there are times when you need to refer to your mood board. So yeah, this is one of the hack that I swear by. One more thing that I would like to tell you here, that do not try to imitate other photographs or style. Instead, get inspired by those photos and add your unique element to stand out. Also, we have reached the location. Second point is preparing for the shoot. After finishing up with deciding the location and theme and having some ideas to shoot at the back of my head, I choose my outfit. Most people have a misconception that you need costly outfits to slay the shots, but you can produce same quality with just a simple black t-shirt. However, do not avoid the power of your outfit that it adds to your image. So, moral of the story is choose your outfit wisely. For today's shoot, I have decided to wear a very non-distracting outfit and yet very funky. Some of the things that I will be needing are a tripod, because I will be clicking my own pictures, extra memory cards, camera lens. For today's shoot, I will be using both 18 to 55mm and 50mm f1.8 lens. And most importantly, do not forget your camera. You can also use your phone to do the same. It is going to be a budget-friendly self-portrait session. We have an affordable DSLR, affordable lens, so why not an affordable prop? So for today's shoot, I have chosen a balloon. A white balloon to be more specific. Sometimes simply posing looks dull and repetitive. Props can give unique angles to your images, so do not avoid them.Use what you already have. Look around and observe your environment. You can find lots and lots of cool props to use for your images. थर्ड पॉइंट है ना ये नहीं फोर्थ, पिछले वाला थर्ड था, ये वाला फोर्थ है, ठीक है. Then comes the most interesting part of the video, bringing to life an idea that was in your head a second ago, that is shooting. I am using Camera Connect app to connect my phone with the camera. It helps me to control the camera through my phone. But wait, before shooting, let me test my frames first by observing and looking around. And please ignore my sitting position. I'm looking very weird right now. Without wasting any time, let's start shooting. It's been ages since I'm doing bud. One tip that I would like to add here is that you have to be patient with the process. I know it takes a lot of time, but patience is the only key. If you are shooting outdoors and there are a lot of distractions in your frame, do not hesitate to change your location and find a peaceful place. Last part is editing your photos and sharing them. Attaching some other self-portraits that I took that day without using a prop. I edit my photos on Photoshop. You can use Lightroom as well. If you want to see my process of editing raw images, I can make a separate video on that. So guys, this is what I generally do when I take my self-portraits from beginning till the end. I hope you guys like the video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. I will see you in my next video. Stay safe and do not stop clicking.